Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in this class today. I will start with question number 5. This is exercise
Sir,
28. Yes,
सर
Ika.
आपसे तबस्सुम मैम ने ट्रांसफर फिर से ग्रुप पर भेजी है।
What? Okay, so question number 5 says state whether the following pairs of line rays appears to be parallel or intersecting. So parallel lines are the lines which are at equal distance from every point to each other. Okay, what are parallel lines? Parallel lines are the lines which are always at the equal distance from each other. So it means that, and on the other hand, if they are not equal distance at each other at every given point, so they are intersecting. Intersecting. Although they are not intersecting with each other, but if you will extend these two lines, so they will meet somewhere at some point. Okay. So if we talk about the question part 1, so is this parallel, are these parallel lines or intersecting lines? Fine. So tell me your answer in the comment section. Is it parallel or intersecting? So this is not parallel. Parallel means just like the rails, track of rails. Okay. So these are not parallel, these are intersecting. Now what about the second part? Is this intersecting or parallel? Is it parallel or intersecting in the second part? These are parallel lines. Now third part, are these parallel or intersecting? In part third, they are also parallel. Now fourth part, are these parallel or intersecting? Yes. So these are intersecting because if you will measure the length here, then the distance between two lines at each and every point is different. Suppose there is 5 centimeter, the distance between these 2 points is 5 centimeter. Here the distance will be 3 centimeter. Here the distance will be 2 centimeter. Here the distance will be 1 centimeter. So distance is not same. It means they are intersecting. On the other hand, if you find the distance at any given point between these two lines, so distance will be same, 3 centimeter. So these are parallel and these are intersecting. Clear? Now question 6. Give 2 examples from your surrounding for each of the following. Point. So what is the example of point from your surrounding? Can you give me the answer in the comment section? What is the example of, yes, now tell me, what is the example of point from your surrounding? Tell me fast. Beta, you have to tell the example from your surrounding of the point, beta. A point has no length, no breadth. So the example from your surrounding is of point, you can say dot. Dot is an example of point. Okay. Now line segment. What is the example of line segment? So line segment is the distance between two given points. Okay. Line segment is the distance between two given points. Now plane surfaces. Yes, you can say screen. Screen of mobile or computer. That is the example of plane surfaces. Curved surfaces. The surface of glass. Surface of glass. Glass, you know, this glass. So the surface of this glass is curved. Okay, or you can say the surface of the cylinder. Surface of the cylinder also, it has curved surface. Okay. Question 7. Under what condition will two straight line in the same plane have no point in common? किस condition में two lines में कोई भी common point नहीं होगा? In which condition two lines have no common point? So if they are parallel, you will write if they are parallel, so they will have no common point. They will have no common point if they are in parallel. Okay, only one point in common. One point in common कब होगा? Because if two lines are parallel, तो वो कभी मीट ही नहीं करेंगी, और अगर मीट ही नहीं करेंगे तो कोई पॉइंट उनमें कॉमन नहीं होगा. Second, only one point in common. So it is possible only if they are intersecting. If they are intersecting, अगर two lines intersect कर रही हैं तो एक point तो common होगा ना उनमें. So this is the condition. Only one point in common means ये कब हो सकता है? If they are intersecting. Okay. And third, an infinite number of points in common. यानी कि बहुत सारे points common हैं. ये कब हो सकता है? जब एक लाइन दूसरी लाइन के ऊपर हो. यानी ये एक लाइन है और ये दूसरी लाइन है, वो लाइन पहली वाली लाइन के बिल्कुल ऊपर है, तो इनके सारे पॉइंट्स कॉमन होंगे. तो यू विल राइट इफ वन लाइन covers the other line completely, or you can say कवर को आप ओवरलैप भी लिख सकते हो. overlap. Okay, so you can write either if two lines overlap each other. So अगर two lines एक दूसरे को overlap करेंगी means एक दूसरे के ऊपर ही हैं, so इनके infinite number of points common होंगे. So this is the answer of the first, second and third part. I hope it is clear. Now question number 8 says mark 2 point A and B on the page of your exercise book. Mark a third point P such that P lies between A, B and 3 points A, P and B are collinear. P lies between A, B and 3 points A, P, B are collinear. देखो अभी क्या है, ये मान लो आपकी कॉपी है, इस पे आपको 2 पॉइंट्स ड्रॉ करने हैं पॉइंट ए हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया, पॉइंट बी यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर लिया। ऑन द पेज ऑफ योर एक्सरसाइज बुक मार्क अ पॉइंट पी। इसमें आपको एक पी पॉइंट बनाना है, लेकिन वो इस तरीके से बनाना है सच दैट पी लाइज बिटवीन ए बी। पी ए बी के बीच में होना चाहिए एंड 3 पॉइंट्स ए पी बी कोलिनियर होने चाहिए। जो पॉइंट ए पी बी है वो कोलिनियर हो। कोलिनियर आई हैव explained yesterday. Collinear means the points which lie on the same line. तो P और A और B तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन पे होने चाहिए। तो कैसे ड्रॉ करोगे? So this is very simple. You just meet A and B. स्केल की हेल्प से A और B को मिला दो और A और B के बीच में कहीं पर भी P पॉइंट ले लो। So now this is P point which is between A and B, and A, P and B are collinear. This is very simple. Is it clear? Next, second, P does not lie between A, B, yet the 3 points are collinear. Now again, take point A and point B in your copy. अब कंडीशन ये है कि P should not lie between A and B. P और A और B के बीच में तो नहीं है, लेकिन तीनों कोलिनियर होने चाहिए। तो आप क्या करो, पहले A और B को मीट करो स्केल की हेल्प से, देन A को इस तरफ एक्सटेंड कर दो, ठीक है, और अब की यहाँ पे कहीं P पॉइंट ले लो। तो अब देखो P A और B के बीच में तो नहीं है, लेकिन तीनों कोलिनियर हैं क्योंकि तीनों एक ही लाइन पे लाई कर रहे हैं। So this is the method for the second question. Clear? Okay. Next. Part 3. The 3 points do not lie in line. 3 points जो हैं वो एक लाइन में नहीं होने चाहिए। तो A और B2 यहाँ पे ले लो और थर्ड पॉइंट P कहीं पर भी ले लो, बस एक लाइन पे नहीं होनी चाहिए। यानी A और B को मीट करोगे और P उस लाइन पे नहीं लोगे, कहीं पर भी ले सकते हो। तो इट मींस A and B और P एक लाइन पे मीट नहीं कर रहे हैं। Is it clear? So these 3 questions are very, very simple. Just have to understand the basic functions, basic properties of lines and points. Next, question 9. Mark 2 points P, Q on a piece of paper. How many lines can you draw? So you have to mark 2 points. This is point P, this is point Q. So you have to tell how many lines can you draw passing through both P and Q. कितनी लाइंस ऐसी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो जो P और Q दोनों से जा रही हो? Now tell me the answer. How many lines can you draw which is passing through from P and Q both? So only one line you can draw, okay? Only one line, and that is the line which is going through P and Q. This is point P, this is point Q, and this is the only line which we can draw which is passing through P and Q. Is it clear? Now next, second part says, this was part first. Second part is passing through the point P. How many lines can you draw which is passing through the point P? Now tell me the answer fast. How many lines can you draw which is passing through the point P? जो सिर्फ point P से होके जा रही है. Think about it and tell me the answer. How many lines can you draw जो सिर्फ P से होके जाए? So the right answer is infinite, because इस तरह की infinite lines हम draw कर सकते हैं जो एक single point से होके which is passing through from a single given point. Is it? Am I right or wrong? So you can see that we can draw infinite lines. Now, part 3 says passing through point Q. तो इसका भी आंसर वही होगा, Q से भी हम infinite lines ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से, जो कि होके जा रही है. ठीक है. Okay, so the next point is question number 10. Let us do this. The adjoining diagram shows line AB. लगा दो यहाँ. The adjoining diagram shows line AB. Draw diagram to represent number 1 array AB. तो देखो, in this figure, the diagram shows line AB. This is line AB. So you have to draw a diagram to represent ray AB. So how are you going to draw the diagram to represent ray AB? So this is ray AB. Think about it. I'm gonna tell you. From here to here. So you will draw it like this. Okay, this is ray AB. This is point A. This is B. And you will say, or this is B. This is point A. This is B. Not this. And you will write it AB and this sign. Is it clear? This is ray AB. Now in second part, ray BA. So how are we going to draw ray BA? So it will be from B to A, from here to here. So you will draw it like this. Okay, or like this. So this is A, this is B, and this is BA. Okay, from B to A. BA is from B to A and AB is from A to B. Now let us do the third question. It says line segment AB. Line segment AB. So it will be from A to B only. Means from here to here. This is the line segment AB. So write A, B. Okay, so you have to draw all these three diagrams in your copy and you will write A, B and dash. Okay, clear? Next, question 11. The adjoining diagram shows ray AB. Draw diagram to show ray BA. So you have to draw ray BA from B to A. Is it possible? Because this is already a ray. तो रे बी ए तो हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा ना ड्रॉ करना, क्योंकि ए तो एंड पॉइंट है. ए इज अ, यहाँ पे ए एंड पॉइंट है. सो हम रे बी टू ए कैसे जा सकते हैं? यहाँ पे कोई ऐसे एरो तो है नहीं. सो दैट इज वाई इट कैन नॉट बी ड्रॉन. रे बी ए. नेक्स्ट लाइन ए बी. yes, line AB we can draw. Line also we cannot draw क्योंकि line में दोनों तरफ एरो होती है, इसमें एरो सिर्फ वन साइड है, एरो इज ओनली वन साइड, so it is not also possible. So this is not possible, this is not possible. Line segment BA, so yes, we can draw line segment BA. This is, sorry, this is the line segment BA. This is B, this is A, and this is line segment BA. Okay, clear? Next, the adjoining diagram shows a line segment AB. Draw diagram represent. So this is AB, and this is line segment AB. Okay, this is line segment. So you can see there are two end points. So can we draw ray AB? Can we draw ray AB? Although it is a line segment, but if we want to draw ray AB, so we can do it like this. This is A, this is point B, and we can write it ray AB. Okay. So this is part one. Now in part two, we have to draw line AB, line AB. So we can draw it like this is the second part. And in second part, we have to draw line AB. So we can do it like this. This is point A, this is point B, and this is line AB. Okay, and the third is ray BA. So we have to draw now ray BA. So you can draw it like this, ray BA from B to A. So this is your ray BA. This is B, and this is A, and this is ray BA. Clear? This is your ray BA. Hope it is clear now. Next, question 13 says, use a ruler and whether following points are collinear or not. So we have to use a ruler to check whether point in part 1 D, A, C are collinear or not. So this is the ruler. Okay, so we have to check whether D, A and C are collinear or not. So where is D? This is D, this is C, this is A. So you can see that they are not collinear, they are curved. So they are not collinear, not collinear. Then A, B, C are collinear or not? Yes, A, B and C, they are also not collinear. Okay. They are also not collinear. Next, A, B and E. A, B, E. Yes, they are collinear क्योंकि ये एक ही line में है. A, B and C. As you can see here, A, B and C, A, B and E, they are in the same line. So yes, they are collinear. You will write, yes, they are collinear. And BCA, BCA, BC, तो BCA तो कोलिनियर नहीं है, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ थर्ड वाला जो है वो आपका कोलिनियर है. इज इट क्लियर? The last question of this exercise, question 14, from the adjoining figure, write all pairs of parallel lines. So you have to write all pairs of parallel lines. So where is parallel lines? EF, GH, IJ. Write EF, line EF, comma, line GH, comma, line IJ. तो ये तीन पैरेलल है जो रेड से दिखाई दे रही हैं आपको. So these are three parallel lines, and so this was the answer of part 1. Now part 2, all lines which intersect EF. EF line को कौन कौन सी lines intersect कर रही हैं? ध्यान से देखो and then tell me the answer. Look, this is your EF, this is EF, और इसे कौन कौन सी lines जो हैं वो intersect कर रही हैं? एक line यहाँ पे है ऐसे, and the second line which is intersecting to EF is like this. So this is line BA and this is line DC. तो कौन कौन सी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है? ए बी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, कॉमा डी सी या सी डी कर रही है. डीसी लिखो चाहे सी डी लिखो, एक ही बात. फाइन. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द सेकेंड पार्ट. बेटा कभी भी ऐसे ही नहीं लिखेंगे लाइन को. ये लाइन के ऊपर अगर रे है तो रे का साइन, लाइन है तो लाइन का साइन जरूर लगाएंगे, ठीक है, वरना रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. थर्ड, लाइन whose point of intersection is G. कौन सी लाइन है जिसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन G है? तो वो लाइन GH है. देखो ये पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन G है, तो कौन सी टू लाइंस यहाँ पे G पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं? एक लाइन GH इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है और दूसरी लाइन AB इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है G पर. ओके So this is all for today. Thank you everyone.